So to begin with, I'm just gonna prep my skin by using this Indulgio rosehip oil, rose gold oil, and I'm just going to warm the oil in between my palms and just gonna press the oil into my face, underneath my eye area, and to the lips as well. It works as really nice hydrating moisturizer, as well as act as primer, and also it gives you a very nice dewy glowy base from within. And since I'm not going for any foundation, I'm just gonna use these two shades from Forever 52, 01 and 03 shade for the concealers. And I'm just gonna use the 03 shade underneath my eye, the under eye area, as well as anywhere that I have any sort of pigmentation or any sort of discoloration. And I'm just gonna blend it with my fingers. Lately I really enjoy blending concealers with my fingers, because I feel the warmth of your fingers gives you a very natural and very skin like finish. And yeah, basically, so I'm just gonna blend that color, and you can already see it gives a very nice coverage and very smooth also. And after that, I'm just gonna use the brighter shade, which is 01, to the same areas where I have applied the 03 shade, and just gonna give it a very nice brighten up sort of effect and give a very nice lifted look. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. And when you will apply with the fingers, you will see that the coverage is more as compared to the blender, and it gets very easy to blend also. So I think, especially if you're a beginner, you don't want to spend so much on the brushes and the makeup sponge, then you can totally go ahead and apply any sort of cream or liquid foundation, liquid cream sort of products with your fingers. It's gonna work amazing and will give you flawless base, especially for the under eye area. It works magical. So after that, what I'm gonna do is I want to go for a very dewy and very glowy look. So for that, I'm going to use this Cover FX Moonlight liquid highlighter drops, and just gonna put it to the high points of my face, to the cheekbones, to the bridge of my nose, to the center of my forehead, cupids, and to the chin. And to blend it together and to blend it very nicely, I'm just gonna use my favorite, all-time favorite sponge, which is from Rimmel Cosmetics. And if you are looking for a one of those product, one of those tools that you can apply your powder and your cream sort of products, then I think this is one tool I would highly recommend, which is from Rimmel Cosmetics. And I'm just gonna set my under eye area by using that PAC HD loose powder and very lightly dust off my entire face. I'm not going to give my skin a matte finish. I want that dewiness to be there, so I am just lightly dusting off the loose powder so that it can set my face. And again, I'm not going for a very bronzy and very contoured look, so I'm just going to apply a very little bit of the contour shade on the cheekbone area. And after that, I'm going to use this my recent favorite blush from MAC, which is this Melba. And the best part is about this eye look. So I am going to create this eye look by using these two kajal pencils from Forever 52. Again, it is not a sponsored video. I really love Forever 52 products. They are very inexpensive and the quality is amazing. So I'm just gonna use this brown color and just gonna blend it with a blending brush. And I'm going to deepen up the color. In the second go, you can go ahead and apply as many coats as you like, but I like to go for like one coat and blend, another coat and blend. And to intensify it even more, I'm going to use this black kajal and going to apply it to the upper part of my eyelid, and going to blend it nicely to the crease as well as where that brown color ends. And to give it a nice transition shade, this is an optional step. You can totally skip this step also. I used two shades from the Huda Obsession palette. I used one brown and a very rusty brick sort of color. And to give it a very nice and very crisp wing, very actually tiny wing, I am going to use this Forever 52 liner. And I'm not going for falsies. You can apply the falsies. I use this XL Tornado mascara from Forever 52. It is one of those amazing mascara if you're looking for a drugstore mascara, but will give you a very falsy sort of finish and look. So you can totally go ahead and buy that, because I think I did 3 coats and it gave me very nice and full lashes. And I'm going to complete the look by using the same colors to my lower bottom lash line. And for my inner corners, I am using this magnificent liquid highlighted eyeshadows from Forever 52, the silver shade, to the lower bottom lash line to the only inner corner. And I'm just finishing with a very nude liner from Forever 52 again. It might look like as if it's a sponsor video, but it is not, trust me, they all are my own products. And after that, I'm going to use the same highlighter from the same brand and going to apply it wherever I want extremely blinding glow. So I'm going to apply to the cupids, to the chin, to the bridge of my nose, and to the cheekbones. And to finish it off, I'm using this Evans water spray and give it a nice blend with the sponge. It looks very seamless. We did not apply any foundation, but it gives a very beautiful natural sort of yet glammed look. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really love how it turned out, especially the eyes. It might look like as if you have you put so much of effort, but in reality it hardly takes 5 minutes and you are good to go. And that's a full look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you guys did, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Until then, bye.